The company Elekhomi sent me this voice recorder to do a review on it and an unbox at the same time. So let's do the unbox. Oh yes, first I'm going to look at the box. You can see the picture in front. On the side you have nothing. In the back they show the feature. On the side too you have nothing. So this guy is a black one and it's a 32 gig of memory. Let's look at it. Oh, we have. Please read this first. And after that, they show you the few another user manual and a small one at the same time. This is a machine inside, very nice, well packed. Let's look under to see what exactly we have. A microphone, earpiece, a USB cable to charge, and a small box with one cable. When it's time to record somebody on the phone, you can record directly with this kind of box and the cable, and nothing else. Let's open it. Here you're going to see it perfectly now. You see the USB, the volume, plus and minus. You have A, track A or B. You had your mode. You have when it's time to change the track. And after that, here you have your power on and off. And when it's time to record, let me show you. Wait, you have your right and your left. Here you can see on the screen the indicator of the battery. This is wave, and you can see your track. Let me show you the brand again. The brand, if you want to buy one, the brand is elekhomi. It's nice, it's small. You can see it look like metal, but it's plastic. Let me show you on front. Your key. So you have two choices if you want. You can delete all what exactly we recorded, or only one segment. Okay, let's try it and to see what exactly how this sound. Tell you will come. That's it. You already see that. Let's record. 1 2 1 2. This is the first recording, so I hope the voice is not bad. When you finish, you need to press pause, it's here, and save it. You save the recording, and when it's time to play, you press play.
1 2 1 2. This is the first recording, so I hope the voice is not bad. When you finish, you need to press pause.
So let's try it with the microphone to see what exactly it sounds. Here, I'm going to put it here. on my t-shirt. Here, on my t-shirt. Et voila. So now let's try it. One, two, 1, 2. I hope you like this voice. I hope you like this recording. Like I told you, when it's time to save, you press pause. And after that you press save. And when it's time to listen it, you press play. 1, 2, 1, 2. I hope you like this voice. I hope you like this recording. Like I told you. 1, 2. 1, 2. I hope you like this voice. I hope you like this recording. Like I told you, when it's time to save, you press pause. What is time to charge? Here you can see it on the side, and I don't know if you can see it. You have a small red light to indicate the machine is on. This recorder is good for 30 hours of recording. And for sure you have a built speaker on front. I hope you like this video about this kind of machine, the elekhomi, the recorder, voice recorder, and MP3 player. And don't forget to watch the other video after this one. And see you in another one.